Hey guys, Taylor here with SpraungelPerformance Marine. I just want to show you a new product that we just got in, we installed. This is the SeeBrakes 2.0 from Seelite. Compared to the competition, they've got a super heavy duty double mount. It actually ends up mounting in two different places on the pole. This one has the 40-pound lower units on it with forward and reverse. We'll go up to the front, I'll show you the controls. So with the 2.0 Pros, you have a full speed control, so you can fine tune your speed as to where you want to be, if you want to be slowly pushing forward, slowly pushing backwards. You also have 2 foot switches for forward and reverse, and these can be locked on if you want continuous movement, or if you want to try to hold yourself in a certain position by just dialing in the speed. So in here you've got the Seelite control module, and then a separate breaker to turn the motors on and off. And then if anything ever goes wrong, you're obviously protected. Installation on these is relatively easy. You can get them here at SpraungelPerformance Marine.